guys, today we're gonna build a Star Wars TIE Fighter and build a boat. Or at least attempt to. The skin is not appropriate for this. I need a better one. Hold up. Let's do that. Hold on, did it glitch? Or it did glitch. Much better. Here, let me just turn isolation mode on and block join request on, because when you build something crazy, literally everyone on the server wants to join your team. So I'm gonna make it so the joining team thing request doesn't appear, and they're unable to get onto my plot, because for me, I can just like exit whenever I want, but for them, there'll be like an invisible wall that they can't go through all around my base. Okay, so let's get to building. Let's put that there. Let's make a little boost. This could be the wing or the thing. I don't know what it is. I don't even think it ever had a name. Just gonna do that. Let's see if we can scale it like half. Scale it half like that. This could look pretty good. So I think we're gonna do that. Need to make these equal distances though to make it look. That'd be like way too huge, but the TIE Fighter is already kind of huge, so I don't think it matters. We're also gonna have to make the wing, the other wing thing, the exact same size. I don't know what looks better. This thing is, oh my gosh. Scale 2. This thing is huge. Okay, well, we have that. That is done. Now we just need to connect these. Is that the middle? That's the middle. Okay, so now make the pod. I'm just gonna call it a pod because it looks like one. I think that's good. Scale this. The thing is, I don't want it to be like too thin to where like you don't have any room. Okay, I think that's good. Let's place that rod there. Okay, hold on, if we what's that? Okay, that touches that. Oh no. What just happened? Okay, well, I don't know. That means it's the right size. Let's just scale it up. Can we scale it that way? Whoa. What the? Okay. I think the scaling tool is breaking. What the? Dude, I can't select. Oh, there. Alright, now we're ready. Just make this thinner. Dude, it literally won't let me select it. Okay, that looks pretty gnarly. Extend this outwards. Dude, let me select it. Oh my gosh. This thing is broken. Why did I even put that there? We're gonna have to put a trapdoor here. That's how the actual TIE fighter works. That's how you get into it. So I think if we do this, do that, then it'll be the right size for a trapdoor. There. Now we can put back wall. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. How's this gonna work? Okay. I have an idea. I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. That's wrong. That's also wrong. Okay, this is right. Okay. Now that should be good. We'll make this thinner. Is that gonna be too hard to see out of? Because I want to be able to, like, fly this thing in first person. So I have to make it so it's not too hard to see out of. I think that's good. Should work. Now we can put glass. Like that. Ooh. Wait, I have a good idea. Okay, what if we extend this outwards? I know it looks terrible right now. Then grab these. And extend them outwards like this. Is sick. Color that black. Oh no, that might be Might be a little too dark. Let's color that this color. Oh, we forgot to make those thinner. Oh, I'll fix that. Okay. Make these thin. I think we can fix this. This isn't right. Okay, we do that, and then we do the same thing to the top. Then we can color them to the color these are. Looks good. Oh wait. Okay. Maybe you can do the same thing we did here with these. That's wrong. That's right. Alright. Shrink these down. Oh wait, I haven't thought where I'm gonna put the jet to make this thing fly. That might be a bit of a problem. Okay, we have this. Oh, what? That sucks, dude. It doesn't even connect. Can we make it? You know what? Never mind. I'm just not gonna do that. Alright. Okay, we have to put that somewhere on this and not make it too obvious. Okay, definitely have the right idea. Okay, so if we put that there. We put that there, color it black. Should not be too obvious, since this thing would be flying by and it would be hard to notice. So I think we are good. Oh my gosh. This thing doesn't actually look too bad. Then place the seat down. Let's attach some cannons to it to act as the blasters. Place those. No, not like that. Okay, we have those three. Let's color them. I'm not sure they look the same. Nope. I think we're done. We created a TIE fighter. Alright. Now we just need to test it out. That is not how you spell fighter. Okay. We just need to get up there. Where's the jetpack? Give me the jetpack. Right. Delete that. Enter. This is actually not too bad. Okay, I have to make sure I saved it, or we lose our progress. Okay, saved it. Wait, jet speed. Oh, you can only make it go down, not go up. That's fine. Unanchor. Now we are free to move. We are in. Yeah, I think something happened. Oh. Flipper joined. I was just making a vid of making a TIE fighter. Okay, I'm gonna fix that later, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye.